Good day, travelers. Today we're flying from Salt Lake City to Paris. Our flight time will be about 9 hours and 48 minutes. We'll be aboard this Delta Airlines A330-900 NEO, registration number November 407 Delta X-Ray. This aircraft is about 3 years old. I had a couple of hours before my flight, so I visited the Delta Sky Club Lounge. It's a nice lounge. I'll post a review of that separately. Just a quick look around the overall cabin. Alright, before we take off, I'm going to get a quick video of the seat. A couple nice blankets. Love them. Amenity Kit here. USB plug in, another USB plug in there, electric plug in, seat controls, noise canceling headset up here, glass of water. The tray is in here, seat controls down here, and you can have some place to put stuff down here, and in here. Alright, you guys did there, so. 2 windows here. This is my last stop. This light? Where are you going? Oh, hopefully soon. And champagne and real glass. Drank most of it already. Can't go get it out. Can't close them on this? No. Here, but once you get in flight, the door closes. Got a nice little private suite. Larry over here, or keep up. Backpack. Fits in here nicely. Usually. Nice big screen. And a coat hook over here. Lots of space up here. Nice and sturdy. Let's break out the Amenity Kit. Some slippers. Alright, let's see if we can get this done with one hand. Otherwise I might have to break out my GoPro.
Les ordres nature portable dans la pochette de votre siège en face du lit.
Alright, and earplugs, the eye mask, got a bamboo toothbrush, some toothpaste in here too, and you've got some lip balm and some moisturizing cream here as part of the Amenity Kit. The slippers do come with it. And once we get into flight and get my meal done, we'll roll this bed out into a lie flat, because I didn't do it on the last flight, and get some video of that. Alright, see you later in the flight. I think we're getting ready to push back and get underway here. Yep. We're about an hour into the flight now. They're getting ready to serve the food. The food smells delicious as they warm it up and prepare it. And prior to the meal, you do get a drink of your choice here and some warm nuts as they get ready to serve. They served a nice quinoa salad. There was some corn chowder, some warm bread, butter, and a little bit of dressing to go with the salad. The entree was a beef short rib with some cauliflower potato mash, some red onions, and green beans. After the entree, they brought out a dessert tray. I didn't want any, but of course they forced me to get some ice cream. You do believe me, right? There's lots of movies and music and games on the in-flight entertainment system here. I tend to watch the moving maps. I like to know where I'm at, how long it's going to take to get where I'm going. Not that I can change it or anything, but we've got a lot of information on here. I've got 4 of them separately put on one screen here so I don't waste a whole lot of time. Dinner's over. The flight attendants have turned the seat into a lie flat bed with the bedding that's provided. It's really nice. I did manage to sleep for a little over 6 hours, slept very well, and woke up just in time for the second food service. A very persistent flight attendant again brought the dessert tray around. I didn't resist this time. I simply had a cheese platter with fruit and a little sweet wine prior to getting my breakfast. Breakfast was a warm bread pudding with some dates and apples, a bowl of cantaloupe with blueberries, and a warm croissant with orange marmalade, and of course a cup of coffee to go along with it. As we begin our approach into Paris, go ahead and wrap this up. The bathroom facilities were very, very clean the entire time. The Wi-Fi worked really well, even though the screenshot was during one of the rare times when we were out of service. The food was very good. The flight attendants were great. It was a very smooth ride today, and I had a very, very comfortable suite here in the Delta One Suites.